Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Neil out here at the Widener Ranch today. I'm not out on the range because I have some other stuff I want to talk to you about. Did you know that May is National Stop the Bleed Month? And if it is, we should probably talk about your med kits.
Today's video is brought to us by Mantis. The Mantis family of products is integral to ASP staff building handgun and carbine skills and are your most economical and fastest path to improvement in your skills too. Whether you choose the X10, the Laser Academy, the Blackbeard, or use them all in concert, they will help your practice be more effective, efficient, and fun. Go check them out, pick up a unit, and thank them for sponsoring today's video.
So a couple years back, I did a video where I went through and I looked at the expiration date on all of my med kit stuff. Some things were pretty far out. Some things were not. So everything was okay there. I did a refresh. Life is good. However, with it being National Stop the Bleed Month, we just wanted to talk about this a little bit and give you an opportunity that if you're going to do a refresh or you're going to buy a new kit, there might be something free, like a free upgrade that you can get. I'll talk to you about that at the end of the video. But first, I want to talk to you about the kit as it comes. And this is a brand new one that I had the guys at Mountain Man send me. So I had a fresh one that wasn't covered in my sweat and dirt and grime and all of the things from using it all the time. But if you see videos of us on the channel, on the range, typically somebody, if not everybody, has one of these on. And the cool thing I like about this is that it's got this back piece right here, that this strap opens up and you can just slide that through your belt and it hangs on your stuff. If somebody needs to tear that off of me or off of somebody else, you rip that down and you can just literally rip it off of somebody pretty easily. It's kind of a cool thing that makes it accessible, because in an emergency you want access as quickly as possible. The other thing is the original one of these had zippers that came around here like so, and we just found that it just takes a little bit too long to mess with zippers, and zippers can come undone and all that kind of stuff. So what we asked the folks that make these over at Wilderness Tactical, make these a Velcro thing. So if there's an emergency and you need access, you just got to tear it open like so. It's a pretty quick access thing. Everything goes inside there, and you can close them back up pretty easy as well. Let me get this one closed back up because I want to talk about how the rest of this works. Now you see these two loops here. I got a tourniquet here. You can slide a tourniquet through there, so you've got outside access to a tourniquet if you need one. Because if you need a tourniquet, you need it pretty quickly. You can rip it right out of there. Life gets good, and hopefully life goes on for whoever needed that. The rest of the stuff goes inside there. Of course, you got your patches on the outside of it as well, but everything else goes inside of it. So here's what comes with the kit. It comes with two tourniquets, two cat tourniquets. You can see these are brand new, fresh in the bag. I literally just got these in the mail like yesterday, the day before. So I haven't even taken these out of the containers yet. But what you do want to do when you get these is remove this plastic and get your bag staged the way you want, because the last thing you really want to do if you need a tourniquet is biting on that to get this off, especially if you've got slippery, bloody hands or something along those lines. So have these things ready, okay? So you get two of those with them. Again, one goes on the outside right here. The other one sits on the inside. So the other things that it comes with is a couple of the high-fin chest seal pads or patches here. It's a twin pack, so there's two of them here, so you can use one or all of them if you need to. So those come along with it. It also comes with some high strength bandage, the pressure bandage. So you've got a pressure bandage. If you know anything, if you've taken any med classes, and you should, you'll know a pressure bandage is something that is pretty important. There's one of those that comes along with it. Also comes with the Cheeto gauze if you want to try to get some bleeding stopped and wrap it up with some gauze to get that blood flow to slow down or stop at all. There is a bit of that comes with it. And all these are vacuum sealed, so that just saves them much space. One of the other pieces is the compressed gauze. I don't know if you can see that, but that one is actually sourced by Mountain Man. That's, one of the challenges that we've had over the years since we've started offering these is inventory, and getting inventory for this stuff is kind of difficult when you're not buying 100,000 pieces at a time or whatever. And so Mountain Man went out, got a little bit of help and figured out how to make these themselves. These meet all of the standards and everything that everything else does. So we're in good shape there, and we don't have to wait on those if we have a back order issue. Some of you have had some back order issues, and we get that. We're doing our best. And so when the product is available, things ship. Also comes with a pair of shears. Now, these are not the high-end $75 shears that some folks use, but they work perfect. They fit in here, and I've used those to cut things when we needed to cut things. They work. And so the big thing you want is not necessarily the most expensive tool. You want the tool that works. So this will do the job when it's needed. Also comes with a little Sharpie marker, so you can write on your tourniquet, write on somebody's forehead, write a note to yourself. I don't care, whatever. And then lastly, I think this is the last piece, is 2 sets of gloves. So all of this stuff, so the gloves, the bandages, the compressed gauze, the tourniquet, one fits inside, one fits outside, and the chest seals, everything fits inside here minus the one tourniquet, but you're going to have 2 tourniquets, just because, 2 is better than 1. When it comes to that, if somebody's bleeding, you may need a second one. Hopefully you don't ever need one. And our goal is that nobody ever has to use this. And we've never had to use one of these with a gunshot wound or anything. But things happen on the range and we hear stories. So why not be safe and be prepared and be ready? Okay. So with all of that said, if you order one of these, any of the med kits, and ASP has the range med kit, we've got the ankle cuff kit that John's doing a video on this week, and then we've got the big ASP med kit. See what I did there? That has everything in it, and there's a little bit of a boo-boo kit in there. That's kind of for under the seat of your car or whatever. I've got one in every vehicle that we have. That's a little bit bigger one. But if you buy any one of those, what you're going to get by May 23. At midnight Mountain Time. So those guys, they're in Mountain. So if anything gets ordered by then, any of those kits get ordered, you're also going to get one of these. So this is the Riker Tourniquet Carrier Kit. So it's made by our friends at KSG. So this mounts on your belt. Here, let me open this thing up, and I should have used my scissors to show you that they work. But this is just a little tourniquet carrier. So this is designed to fit a cat. Fits on your belt like that, but it also fits a soft tee. Now, I'm told you have to fold the soft tee a little bit different. They have a video on how to do that, but if you fold your soft tee just a little bit different, you can get either a cat or a soft tee in this thing. I think they sell these for like $43 on their website plus shipping and all of that. So if you order any one of the ASP med kits before May 23rd, again, it's Stop the Bleed month, and it's a good time to do this as good as any, you're going to get one of these for free. So it's a $45 value that's going to come along as an added bonus. And really, folks, the gist of it is that, in a medical emergency, you've got to have the tools. It's no different than carrying a gun. And from my perspective, and I think most of you would agree, that if you ever need any of the tools that we use in self-defense, you're far more likely to need one of these or one of these or one of these than you are your firearm even. Now, we carry a firearm just in case. We should have this stuff just in case. And if you're at the range, there's no reason not to have a little bit of bulkiness at the range. So this is bulky, right? But at the range, that's okay. I want to be able to respond very, very quickly. I want to have the tools that I need. This is not a boo-boo kit. There's no Tylenol. There's no Excedrin. There's no Band-Aids, none of that kind of stuff. That's in the other kit. But this is, if there's a life-threatening bleed going on, I can stop it. And I think I have the tools that I need to do that until we can get to medical help. And so just let me tell you, again, it's National Stop the Bleed Month. There's no better time to think about this. And I think our guys at KSG were pretty cool to throw one of these things in for you for free. If you order right now, if you already have one and you just need to go check your, most of them have, they have little tags on the back of them here and there about when an expiration date is. There's one on these. Maybe go check your expiration dates. A cool thing you can do with expired products is once you get them replaced. Now, I'm told when there's vacuum sealed like this, they last probably beyond this. But if you get a refreshed one, now you can cut one of these open. You can do a little bit of practice. And a little bit of practice is, it's just like dry fire. It's never a bad idea to practice putting on a tourniquet, to practice putting on a pressure bandage or something along those lines. And having the fresh stuff in there is going to give you the confidence that if something bad happens, you'll at least have the tools to do your very best to save somebody's life. So with that said, go check them out. The links are in the bottom of this. Last thing. This is the Riker carrier. And if you didn't know who Dr. J. Riker was, you're in good company because I had no idea who he was either. But we're going to put a link to a little bit of a story about this guy. This guy he's a national hero. We had a president survive way back in the day because of him. And so it's named for him, for saving somebody's life in a dire moment. So we'll have the link for that. You can go read that story. It's on Mountain Man's website. But when he was telling me the story, I was fascinated. I'd never heard the story before. So pick up a little piece of, I mean, this isn't history, but at least you can see the history of the story. So with that said, go check them out. We'll see you next time.